Alrighty y'all, what's going on today? So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the UTG Under the Gun Deluxe Vertical Shoulder Holster. This is basically a holster that you wear kind of over the shoulders, like almost like a backpack. It works with pistols, which is what I actually use it for, as well as submachine guns, and it's just a really nice kind of thing. I go out to the desert shooting a lot, right out here, kind of east, like right out past the Mojave Desert. So, I wanted a good way to, when we're out there shooting, I have a good way to kind of carry my gun around when we're out there. And it's got quite a bit going on, so I'll kind of talk about it and why I like it so much. So it's a really cool design, really innovative design, I guess you could say. I love like this backpack kind of thing. Makes sure it's very discreet, which is nice. The holster is totally adjustable. It's got a Velcro custom fit, as you can see right here, which is really cool. It makes it so that you can, fit in, your gun no matter what shape it is. It also has like a very good, nice little stretch to it as well. So it's got a really good hold. Overall, the entire thing is made out of kind of like this, like, I don't know, seems like a synthetic, like nylon, like stretch sort of material. That means that the threading on here is really nice. It feels really quality. As you can see, you have this grid-like design, which is all around on the holster, the cartridge carriers, on the shoulder pads. So really good stitching all the way around. Makes it just extra durable. I mean, and this thing is durable. I've had it for a very long time, and I've been to the desert with it many times, and it's in great shape still. Pretty solid. The components pretty much throughout the entire thing are completely adjustable. So, you can really adjust it to fit your gun, adjust it to fit clips and everything as well. You can adjust it to fit on your shoulders, both height-wise and on the top right here. The top right here is more stretchy, so it's not, I guess, totally adjustable, although it kind of just stretches and spreads nicely, which is cool. It's definitely, I would say, pretty modular in design. You can really, take this thing apart and put it back together the way you want it. So obviously, I have my gun, I'm right-handed, so it's on the right side right now, but the cool thing about this is it comes with the double buckle system on both ends. So if you are left-handed, you can change it. I let my friend wear this before, and I actually didn't even realize that you could do that because it came right-handed, so I didn't realize, like, oh yeah, you can totally put this thing on the left hand as well, which is really nice. So it makes for a really good ambidextrous kind of holster, I guess you could say. Thumb brake system is totally adjustable as well, so you basically have, you're able to draw from it very quickly, and also reholster your pistol very quickly as well. I'd say it's best for medium to large pistols. I feel like smaller ones would probably just not hold as well in here. They'd probably slip out, which wouldn't be too ideal. Obviously, you don't want your gun slipping out. Lastly, this thing is very comfortable, which is another thing I like. So you have, of course, like this really hard, durable, like kind of nylon stitching all the way around. And then underneath you have the padded shoulder harness. So you could really be wearing this thing all day, and it's very comfortable. The underside is also very soft. So, you could easily wear this with a t-shirt and you'll be pretty much good to go. Yeah, it's just a really nice holster to have. It's very unique, and it's something that can last you a long time. So if you need a good way, to store both your clips and your gun as well, I would highly recommend checking this thing out. It's also very inexpensive too, which is nice. Nothing really special in terms of design. It's not like an antique by any means, or ever probably will be one, though it's a very practical and tactical kind of piece of gear. So, yeah, definitely check it out. Again, it's the UTG Deluxe Vertical Shoulder Holster, and yeah, alrighty guys, take it easy.